Hello guys, hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add or how to apply LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro, how to apply the color grading presets and LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Let's open Adobe Premiere. Here's a track. Let's open the color workspace. As you can see, it opened. Let's select a clip, and here, as you can see, the basic correction. Here's the creative collection. Here's the look. You can, under creative, you may click on here, look, choose browse, and then you may search for that you installed or you downloaded. As you can see, here is under .look, or it can be also in a cube. So I may choose this, add this. You can see the LUT is applied. It's not the best like the LUT for this scene, so it's not applied correctly, but as you can see, here's the look. And let's choose another one. For example, let's try this. Look, it's gonna be the same. No, it's not the same. As you can see, the colors change and everything's changed, and that's it. Very simple, very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, type down below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.